Okay, decided I'd check this Kirby out a little more. I still haven't downloaded the manual, but one observation I found is the brush isn't engaging. Vacuum suction is great, but I did see this is a little loose too, so there's a little bit of wobble. I don't know if there's supposed to be. That goes in and out a little bit more and probably should be. So I'm guessing just offhand there's probably a belt off or needs to be replaced, and then I have to see what's the scoop on that being loose. But the belt I think is super simple. Something like I flip this up here and I don't know, flip this over and do something. So I don't know. I'll have to read into it first just to double check. I don't want to start disassembling without reading into, but suction works great. The height adjustment, that works great. This locking mechanism, neutral or drive, works great. Don't notice anything at least. So yeah, still thinking no expense so far. Awesome find. So man, amazing. I can't believe how expensive these are. I didn't realize they're almost like $1,000 new. But yeah, this is the what is this, G10D, I think it is. Seen her, what was the name of it? Sentria. So, man, amazing. Awesome find. $9.99. Goodwill. So this will probably go over to Mom's. But, yeah, okay. Figured I'd share this. And I'll do an update. I'm going to pause this and then see about amending this video to avoid some editing time. Even though I did install, is it OpenShot? Yeah, I think I installed OpenShot on the Ubuntu 18.04.04. So I can edit some videos now. I'm going to go ahead and pause, go look online, see if I can find a manual, what the scoop is on that belt, and the arm being loose. Okay, the magic of pausing. Went online. These are super simple to work on. The models look very much the same. There's some videos on YouTube. Basically, just flip this latch over. That loosens this, comes off, and yuck. That's gotta be clean. This whole system looks like it was in like a locker room or something, or a shower after running it. It smells kind of like a shower or something. I don't know. But definitely got high humidity room or something. Pool room, I don't know. But I just noticed there's not a belt. There's no belt with this. So this just doesn't have a belt. So I'm going to have to figure out how to find a belt. But to take the belt off, you have this belt on. You rotate this around to belt off. And then that would come off inside, which I got to clean all that, oil that. This is going to need some cleaning and oiling where that corrosion is. But then, let's see these. Is that 3 tension there? Oh boy. That's but then this cover flips up, and then you can pull these out. And then there's a setting where you set these in. Once they're set to 3, I guess you have to replace the brush. And this, I see 3 facing. Is that 3? This side looks like a 2. So these might not even be set in correct. See, it's 2 it looks like, and this one looks like it's 3. So this brush might need to be set in better. So when I already cleaned the brush, at least got a bunch of hair out. So I'll take that out. I don't think it's too wore compared to what I saw online. And I gotta clean a little more up. But the vacuum's working good, so that's good. Yeah, just need to get the belts on, and then I don't know how that actually works. Hopefully I'm not missing anything else, but I think it looks like most is there. So I'll clean this up, figure out where I can find a belt, get a belt, clean this up also, and get some oil. I think I'll use that Baby Love baby oil from dollar store. It's $1. I've been using on the sewing machines to clean them. It works awesome. So I don't know. I'll read. See if I still find a manual. I'll see if I can find a manual and do that. But yeah, man, this is pretty cool. Neato. Looks like an easy fix. Okay, till next time. Okay, so I still had this on pause and cleaned out and oiled the metal because, man, there's some corrosion. I almost wonder if maybe a laundromat or something. Sounds like a shower or laundry room. But anyways, I'm going to see how what I cleaned out will suck up without that brush, because I think it's working okay. And I went online too, this loose handle. That's I guess okay, and this is part of like the transmission for the drive. But anyway, see how it sucks that all up. It's a little bit on the brush. Plus I changed the brush height all to 1. So I'll just look for a belt and yeah, do a little test run. But be safe, stay healthy, and until next time, learn something new. Oh, and rescue, restore, reuse, and I guess you have to repurpose.